Hello everyone, this is BlogTube. Today I will talk about why electric vehicle has to be more expensive than gas car. Electric car sales has been increased recently. However, the pace of increase seems to be slower than expected. Lack of charging stations seems to be a lame excuse, but the cost seems rather more critical reason for electric car sales stagnated. Electric car cost double the price of gas cars before government subsidy. However, people hardly ask why is this the case. Anyway, the reason why Korean electric vehicle is currently more expensive than Korean gas car is that Korean car makers are making Korean electric car expensive, and here we have the reason. Let's find it out. I have here drawn the powertrain diagram of a gas car. The most expensive and important part of a car, the engine and powertrain, is portrayed here. The steering, transmission, and fuel unit as well. A gas car usually has most of its parts mechanical, and this makes it costly and harder to maintain. Korean car makers do not have a designated electric car chassis and only allow them to make gas car like electric car. They simply put an electric motor as if it is a gas car engine. They recycle steering and transmission made for gas car except batteries and electric motor. Consequently, Korean car makers make electric car much like gas car, and the production cost is much higher than pure electric car. Pure electric car is made of electric car chassis and simple, much different from fake electric car made by gas car makers. Powertrain can be easily assembled by attaching electric motor to driving axle. Steering and transmission is also made of electric components by eliminating or removing all mechanical parts. Therefore, designated electric car chassis makes electric car cheaper. Another reason for expensive electric car is high TCO of gas car. TCO, or total cost of ownership, is car price including fuel and maintenance cost for the car's lifespan. Gas car TCO is high due to high gas cost. TCO of gas car is so poor, car makers sell their electric car twice the price of gas car so that electric car sales can be slowed down. Car makers must continue to sell their gas car in order to fully recover their gas car production investment. TCO must be applied when it comes to calculate the car cost, which usually does not include fuel and maintenance cost. For 10 years TCO with a fuel and maintenance cost, gas car will cost more than the cost of twice expensive electric car. Another reason why car makers keeps on selling their electric car so expensive is that they are deeply tangled with their component suppliers. Just like Hyundai and Hyundai Mobis, so much as GM to Delphi. Both fossil and hydrogen fuel pays enormous environmental cost, whereas electricity pays less, and its development for reducing the environmental cost improves fast. With a declining manufacturing industry and diminishing population, it is time to decide whether to use surplus electricity or expensive and imported gas. Thank you for watching. This has been Blog2. Please subscribe to support this channel. Thank you.